Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Cocomelon Decorations is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the vibrant and cheerful world of JJ and his friends into your little one's special celebration, transforming any party space into a wonderland of music, laughter, and unforgettable memories that will surely delight both the birthday girl and her guests. Number 5. Baby Girl's Watermelon First Birthday Outfit. Celebrate your little one's first birthday in adorable style. This outfit is perfect for cake smash photo shoots and making memories. Embrace the summer vibes with this cute watermelon-themed romper. It's designed for comfort and maximum cuteness. Add a touch of magic with the vibrant rainbow tutu skirt. It's perfect for twirling and capturing precious moments. This set includes a charming headband, making it a complete ensemble for any photo shoot. You'll have everything you need for stunning pictures. Designed for comfort and style, this outfit ensures your baby girl looks and feels amazing. Capture every smile and giggle on her special day. Perfect for summer birthdays and special occasions. Let her shine in this delightful and festive attire. What we like? This outfit is perfect for capturing those precious first birthday moments. If you're looking for a complete, adorable ensemble for a cake smash or a photo session, this is a fantastic choice. It combines a cute romper with a fun tutu and headband, ensuring your little one looks picture perfect. What people say? True to size. True to color. Very beautiful quality. True to size, stretchy, comfortable, bright. Number 4. IBTOM Castle Watermelon Rainbow Cake Smash Set. Make your baby girl's first birthday unforgettable with this adorable cake smash outfit. It's perfect for capturing those precious first moments. This set features a delightful rainbow and watermelon theme, bringing a burst of color to the celebration. It's designed to make your little one shine. Included is a charming princess romper and a matching headband, completing the look. She'll feel like royalty on her special day. Capture beautiful memories with this outfit, ideal for photo shoots. The vibrant design ensures stunning pictures you'll cherish forever. Crafted for comfort and style, this skirt set allows for easy movement during playtime and photos. It's both practical and incredibly cute. Give your baby girl the ultimate outfit for her first birthday cake smash. It's the perfect blend of fun, fashion, and celebration. What we like? For a truly regal first birthday look, consider this option. If your priority is a coordinated and eye-catching outfit that includes a princess-style romper, skirt, and headband, this set delivers. It's ideal for creating a memorable and stylish celebration. What people say? This is a pretty outfit and it's really good quality. True to size, my baby is turning 2 and the tutu fit perfect. The tutu is made durable. It survived the washer machine. Very cute and pretty. The onesie fit perfectly. Nice material. This set made the perfect outfit for my daughter's 3rd birthday. It was true to size. Number 3. Cartoon Melon Birthday Party Supplies Tableware Set. Make your child's 1st or 2nd birthday party truly special with our delightful tableware set. It's perfect for creating beautiful photos and lasting memories for everyone. This comprehensive set includes everything for 20 guests: plates, cups, napkins, forks, and knives. You'll have 120 pieces in total, ensuring your party is fully equipped. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly paper, our tableware is built to last. The colorful, fade-resistant designs add a vibrant touch to any celebration. Enjoy more time with your loved ones. Our disposable set makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to focus on the fun and festivities. Beyond birthdays, this versatile set is ideal for various events, from indoor and outdoor parties to craft projects and holiday decorations. It complements any theme beautifully. Add a playful and colorful touch to your party with this charming set. It's designed to bring joy and convenience to your special occasion. What we like? Planning a larger first birthday party? This comprehensive tableware set is your solution. If you need to cater for up to 20 guests with a fun, themed design and want to minimize cleanup, this is the perfect choice. It provides everything you need for a colorful and convenient celebration. What people say? The plates and the fork spoons were surprisingly sturdy, strong enough for both the main meal and cake without bending or getting soggy. Everything looked cute on the table and fit the theme really well. Made the whole party setup super easy. Sturdy plates, napkins were good quality. We did not use the cups to drink out of, but they were used to hold candy and they worked out great. Number 2. Blue Panda Watermelon Pinata. Make your celebration pop with this vibrant watermelon pinata. Its bold number 1 design is perfect for a first birthday, adding a lively focal point to any party. Filling this pinata is a breeze. Its generous size allows for easy stuffing with candy or confetti, making it simple to personalize for your event. This versatile decoration can be hung from trees or placed on tables. It instantly elevates any indoor or outdoor celebration with a touch of tropical flair. This piñata is a delightful activity for everyone. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand enthusiastic play at any first birthday or baby shower. Bring playful energy to your event with this charming piñata. It's designed for easy integration into any theme, providing a memorable memento and adding joy to your gathering. What we like? Looking for an engaging activity that doubles as a centerpiece? This pull-string piñata is a winner. If you want to add interactive fun for both boys and girls at a first birthday or baby shower, this is an excellent option. Its vibrant design and easy-to-fill feature make it a party highlight. What people say? It was decently sized and was sturdy enough to give kids a few turns before bursting. This piñata was perfect for my daughter's 1-in-a-melon birthday party. It went through multiple hits from kids aging from 1 to 13 before breaking open to one of the older kids. I'd say the piñata is a little taller than my 1-year-old, which was the perfect size for us. I used for a baby's first birthday. It was small but big enough for kids' party. It was durable enough my 9-year-old ended up breaking it. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit, Pink. Transform your space with these charming watercolor dot decals. They are incredibly easy to apply and reposition. Worried about your walls? These decals are safe for surfaces, ensuring they can always be removed without leaving any sticky residue behind. Enjoy the flexibility of placing them on most smooth, flat surfaces. Let your creativity flow. This kit comes with a total of 59 pieces, spread across 4 convenient sheets, giving you plenty to work with. Add a pop of color with this beautiful pink watercolor dot design. It's a simple way to refresh any room. What we like? Want to add a charming, artistic touch to your party decor without the hassle? These watercolor dot wall decals are ideal. If you're looking for a quick, damage-free way to decorate walls or other smooth surfaces with a soft, playful aesthetic, these are a great choice. They are perfect for creating a whimsical atmosphere. What people say? Great quality and price was good. Easy to install and also remove. Super easy to apply. I like how they're easy to remove. I had to reapply a few to put them in the right spot. Very cute for the kids to place themselves and add a touch of color instead of painting and regretting it. They stick well and looks awesome once you get a pattern going. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.